This type of video is something that I have never done before. I'm revealing the exact routine that made me millions of dollars. You're about to see what I did each and every day to get to the very top of the Forex game. It takes some people years to succeed in the world of Forex, and without the right guidance and knowledge, it can feel impossible to make it big in this game. The routine that I show you in this video is the routine that allowed me to become part of the top 1% of Forex traders around the world. Now, let's get started with this video. So right here is where I start my day off, my trading office. This is where the life-changing profits are made, from this office right here. So I start off by going over the charts. I look at what currency pairs I want to buy and sell. I then do my analysis. I see what I want to sell or buy using powerful strategies that I've been using for years. Let me show you. Okay, so I'm going over the charts right now, and I have found a very profitable trade that I see big potential in, that I'm about to take for myself. So here is a trade that I'm going to be taking. This is a Euro USD on a daily time frame, and I'm going to show you a very simple reason on why I am selling. So you can see this blue line right here is a major support level that has been broken. You can see right here it's been broken there, and the second level right here is a major support level, which is where the market is most likely going to be heading to. So I'll be taking profit right here, and I'll be letting you know how it goes on the way. So yeah, and also on the 4-hour time frame, you can see a big downtrend is going down all the way. So you can see that the market is clearly in a downward channel right here. So I'll be selling and keeping you updated. Now, if you're wondering how I found those support and resistance levels, I use this indicator right here at VIPindicators.com. Here you can see an example. It shows me all the powerful support and resistance levels automatically. You can see right here a support level and a resistance level. I can buy right here, place my stop loss here, take profit all the way to the top, and check that. Pure profits. You can get access to this indicator at VIPindicators.com and even more powerful ones. Check it out right now. So it's time to sell Euro USD. I'm going to be selling with a lot size of 80 times 4. So I'm going to show you how it goes on the way. Here we go, 3 times and 4 times. Euro USD has been sold 4 times, and I'll keep you guys updated later on. Let's go. So right now, I have a business meeting, and let me tell you something. Networking is key to your success. It's allowed me to gain knowledge. It's allowed me to share ideas, to understand how others are trading and making money. The more you network, the more you'll grow. So in my opinion, one of the fastest ways for you to grow is by networking. Keep expanding your knowledge. Keep learning from others. Don't give up. For now, I've got a business meeting, and I'll keep you guys updated in the next clip. Right behind me is the heart of Forex trading. This is the financial district of the world. This is London City, Canary Wharf. This is a big part of what makes a market go up and down. The banks here are buying and selling currencies constantly, and this is what makes a market go up and down. Like I said, if you can understand their behavior and predict it, you can make a lot of money. And I used to come here as a kid. I used to observe what they were doing. I would try to get as close as possible to the banks and to the traders who are working for the banks. I was observing every detail. And it wasn't just that. I also came here to observe the 9-to-5 sheep mentality. The workers who come here every single day in the morning, finish at night, had no life for themselves. I was observing their behavior. I needed to break that cycle. I needed to find a way to retire my family, to live out the dreams that I've been living throughout the last 10 years. I needed to find a way to get out of this rat race. And this is where it all started for me. This is a place that I broke the system. So right now, I am at the very top of London City. You can see some of the world's top major banks right behind me. And I'm currently going over the charts at the same time. I was going over some currency pairs to maybe trade. At the moment, I don't see anything. I'm still in a few trades that I showed you earlier, which I'll update you on very shortly. Now, I wanted to share something with you, something that truly changed my life forever. And it's a simple thing: following the banks. My life changed completely in the world of Forex ever since I followed the banks every single day. Everything they did, I followed. And how do you follow the banks? It's simple. You follow the trend. Where the trend is, that's where the banks are trading. If the market's going up, the banks are buying. If the market's going down, the banks are selling. That is something that truly changed my life. Banks are what make the market move. And I'm in the heart of the financial district of the world. This is where all the top banks operate from. Following the banks is a key to my success. And I'm going to show you how you can actually follow the banks. Now, a few years ago, I actually wanted to work for the banks. That was my goal. My goal was to work with the banks and get a job trading for the banks. That was around 10 years ago. Now, why didn't I work with the banks? The truth is, I realized I could get 10 times richer being a solo trader, working for myself, trading from anywhere in the world like I am right now. But that doesn't mean that I don't trade with the banks, meaning that I don't follow them. Every move I make is based on where the banks are trading. I follow the banks closely. Every single day, I follow them step by step. And here are 3 things that I'm actually using right now that I just checked to find out what the banks are doing. And I'm going to show you right now. So the first tool that I use is a powerful indicator called the VIP Market Scanner. It shows me where the banks are buying and selling, and it tells me exactly where to place my take profit and stop loss, and it shows me the exact trend in any market. The second powerful trading indicator that I use is called the cloud band signals. This powerful indicator shows me levels that the market is most likely going to reverse at. Here you can see some buy and sell signals. It shows me exactly where the market reverses, and this finds powerful levels that the banks are selling and buying at. And the third powerful trading indicator that I use is this one right here, the support and resistance matrix. This finds me the most powerful levels where the banks are selling and buying every single day. It automatically finds me support levels and resistance levels, which means I can trade them all day long, 24 hours, and follow the banks directly. You can get access to all of these indicators right now at vipindicators.com. So now that you know 3 of the most powerful tools that I use on a daily basis, I want to update you with something. I want to show you something that we did earlier. So if you look closely right here, we are in profit of almost 30,000 US dollars. I'm closing all my trades right now in pure profit. So you can see that I finally closed all my trades in pure profit. 21,000 US dollars, almost $22,000, just like that. From views like this. This is the power of trading. You see, when you follow a powerful routine like this, you can make a lot of money. You can also see that this is a live trading account. Real money was made, real profits. This is why you need a powerful routine like this. Every day, repeat, and you will make serious money. So you saw more than $20,000 was made in just a few hours today while I was on the go showing you what I get up to on a daily basis. This is the power of Forex trading. Making $20,000 plus in just a few hours would have been insane for me to have heard when I was a kid. It would have been a dream, but this is a reality, a daily occurring reality that I've got used to. In fact, some days I'm making over $100,000 in a few hours with the right trading setup. Remember, I always go over the key factors like observing the charts and checking all the analysis and following the banks. These are the daily routines that I follow to allow myself to make this type of profit. And this was all a dream. I used to be living in a small home with my parents and barely having any space to myself, always dreaming of getting out of that and giving my family a better life and retiring them and taking my mum around the world and my father and my brother and just giving all of my family members the dream life that they always wanted. I had to do that. I had to find a way to get out of that. And I did. Forex changed my life. Those nights when I couldn't sleep, 5 in the morning, I was up at night struggling on how to make money, checking millions of different ways. Forex was my answer all along. It changed my life. It gave me the freedom. It allowed me to do everything I ever dreamed of. And you saw for yourself, these kind of profits are something that I make on a daily basis. And in all honesty, with hard work and dedication, you can too. So we've made some big life-changing profits today. So it's time to reward ourselves. Right now, I'm waiting for my driver and we're ready to go to the next spot. Let's go. Okay, so you can see that we're on the go, but one of the #1 rules is to always observe the charts. No matter where you are, every single day, master it, get better at it, and you'll get successful in it. It's all about understanding. It's like a game. You repeat the same method, you keep going over it, and it starts going to your mind, and you remember every detail. That is one of the biggest things in my career, is going over the charts every day, on the weekend, Sunday, you name it, non-stop. That right there is powerful. Okay, so you've seen today's profit, over $20,000 made in a few hours while on the go. Now, the next thing that I believe is truly important that changed my life was rewarding myself. So right now, I'm gonna go buy some stuff. I'm gonna go to the Louis Vuitton store right behind me, buy a few things that, you know, I feel like I deserve. After hard work, you gotta treat yourself. And one of the biggest things in my career that allowed me to succeed was wanting things. So when I had nothing, when I was broke, I always desired to get things that I always wish I had, you know, good quality things, nice cars, a nice home. And one of the key things for success is rewarding yourself. You must always reward yourself. So I just spent some of the profit that I made today from those trades that you saw earlier on some Louis Vuitton. You can see the receipt right here. More than £1,000 was spent. But the reality is, it's not a lot when you're making profits like I did today. And I'm not showing you this to brag, or I'm showing you this that with trading you can get anything you want. This is just a small piece of the puzzle. You know, I've bought bigger things than that. I live in my dream home, I travel the world. This is just a small thing, but it keeps you going, it motivates you, it pushes you along the way. And this is why you need to look after yourself. Get yourself gifts, get your family gifts. And Forex for me allows me to do this. Observe who you're around. Be around the right people, the top 1%. Look, I've opened up to you about my day-to-day routine. You've seen everything I did to make millions of dollars. Everything I shared with you has truly changed my life. From being around successful people, rewarding myself after hard work like today, networking with the top 1%, and all the trading tools that I use each day to help me see what the banks are buying and selling. The key for you is to always go over the charts every single day. The most important thing out of everything that you've seen in this video is going over the charts and mastering them. The more you master the charts, the more you can make profit non-stop. Today I made $20,000 simply by predicting market direction, all because I have mastered the chart. But the truth is, all the other things that are part of my routine helped me lead up to the point where I am today. Having a fire inside of me to want to better myself, to achieve what I have and to live out my dream lifestyle. This was the thing that allowed me to achieve all of this. Being around those who work 9 to 5 hours made me want to escape the rat race even more. So it's important you follow everything you see in this video, as it could change your life. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Like this video for more. Get ready for more videos on the way.